Right then, so for today's video I will be showing you how to run legacy software on any modern computer. So any computer that uses the UEFI motherboard, so basically one like this is an Asus Prime motherboard, which is actually in my PC, and I will be showing you how to run legacy operating system like MS-DOS, and then also run IBM compatible programs. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we need to turn on the TV or monitor. Important to turn that on. Obviously you won't be able to see anything now, will you? So next thing to do is you need to turn on the computer, but before you turn on the computer you need to grab the operating system disk, which is the MS-DOS system, and you want to put that into the computer before you turn it on, so then the BIOS knows that the operating system is there and there's a disk in the drive. So what you need to do is you turn on the computer. Once you've turned on your computer, you then have to spam F2. Make sure you spam F2. You'll see the BIOS screen come up. Okay then. So now then, okay, we don't need to do that. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to have your BIOS configured to run legacy software. So what you need to do is you need to go into boot. Then you need to go to CSM compatibility support module. This is what allows or at least this is what tells the computer's BIOS that it's running legacy software. So you click on that, and you want to have that enabled. And boot device control, you can have, as long as it has legacy OP-ROM enabled, and then you can have legacy only for any of the storage devices. Once that's all enabled, you then need to go to your boot menu, and you need to make sure that that's at the top of the list, which is the TIAC. It says it's a TIAC, it's actually an ALPS floppy drive, but once that's sorted, you then need to go to boot menu, which you can just press F8 for that. Then you go down to make sure you don't go to UEFI or it won't boot. It needs to be this one, and then you then press enter. Then you can hear the disk seeking, and now it's actually booting into MS-DOS. And here I have some other MS-DOS software. So we have multiple DOS games, which I have here. You can see it's still loading. Once the operating system is loaded into memory, you can then eject your boot disk like so, and then you can just put in any software of your choosing. So we'll put that in. Okay, and then you can run the program. This is just a simple like MS-DOS game. It's going to choose what graphics. It's asking for what graphics drivers you've got, or what graphics card. So most modern graphics cards, they're based on, even though it's HDMI, it's still is based off VGA somewhat, so we're going to select VGA because VGA is the standard. You can see that the game is now loading, and this is not we're not using virtual machines. We're using native hardware, running on bare metal as it's called. I don't know if you can hear that, but you have a little bit of music coming from the PC speaker. And just to prove it's not coming from the headphones there, I can unplug these headphones. You can see, headphones, they're not plugged in. It's coming from the little inbuilt PC speaker, which I find that pretty cool. Just like how the old IBM PC did it. So it just goes to show that it works. So I mean, we can attempt playing the game here, but it probably wouldn't. We probably wouldn't be able to do it because obviously I can't really. To be honest, I don't even know how this game works. To be honest, I'm just going to just randomly do stuff, and because it's just a demonstration to say that there's just to say that I'm running legacy software on this modern day PC, and as a reminder, this is the motherboard that's in that computer. A motherboard that is compatible with Windows 11, and it's running DOS, which I think is pretty cool. But anyway, you get the idea. So, I mean, there's no escape from this game, but you get the idea that it's going to say game over when that runs out, so yeah. But once you're, I guess, so what we can do is we can F10 exit to DOS. So once you've finished running your legacy stuff and you want to go back to Windows, you want to reload into Windows, what you can do is eject your disk out of the drive, any software, just eject, and then hit the reset button on your case. And then once that happens, you'll see the BIOS screen, and it'll then load into Windows 11. So yeah, this is just a basic tutorial on how to run legacy software on your computer, and that will be it for now. Bye.